Welcome to another minute or more review where we always review things that are longer than a minute because let's be honest, it's really hard to review things within a minute. And today we have the Govee LED Neon Rope Light. Hi, welcome to ZGadgetReview. Here we have the Govee LED Neon Rope Light. And the difference between this and a regular LED strip is that this looks like it's encased in a plastic that is flexible, unlike a regular LED strip that has the little LED lights exposed for you to see. So this gives you more of a continuous hidden light. And the fact that it's flexible, based on what we can see here in the pictures of the box, you technically are able to make designs. So let's go ahead, open this, test it out, see how it works. I think it should be pretty straightforward, but you never know with these things. So we have here the box, and it's actually a 10-foot length light, so it's 10 feet of light. And so here we have this open now, and it says, "Thank you for choosing Govee." And so let's look at the inside. So here right away, we have some paperwork from Govee. So here's your journey begins now. Then we have a user manual. And then we have this DreamView card, which explains to you, says Govee DreamView is our system that allows any of your Govee lights to mirror your TV, movies, music, games, and workouts. All right, so it's some sort of sync system that they have. And so here we have the lights. So let me pull this out. Okay, so here we have the light. It's white, as you can see. It's it feels like rubber. It's really soft. Look, I'm pressing it down. If you can see, I'm squeezing it. It's pretty nice. Has these ties that are also pretty nice, that could be reusable for other things. So that's one thing that I like about Govee products is they come with these ties here that can be reusable for anything else that you might want. They're really nice ties. And I'm talking a lot about the ties, like if it's important, but I don't know, I like it. You know, I get excited by different things. So we have this. Now we have your cable here, power cable. So the way this works is this end here connects to this end here, like this. And so nice together. So then when you plug it, it's ready to go. And you have your light controller right here. See what else is in here. We have rails. We have some rails here. 1, 2, 3 bags of rails. So the way this will work is you will insert the light in the rail, and then you can stick the rail somewhere. Or if you don't want to stick things on your wall, you can always screw them into the wall, and this also gives you what you need to do that. Like I said, this is the 10-foot neon rope. The model is H61A0, and I bought this on Amazon. So let's look at how this works. Let's plug it and take a quick look. Now, what am I going to use this for? Right, I'm going to use it for my background here. I had LED lights around the shelves there, but I don't know what happened. There's half of the strip is burnt, and I tried to fix it. I haven't been able to fix it. So I figure, you know what, I'm just going to get rid of it and replace it with this. And hopefully this will be brighter, it will be nicer to look at. So we'll see how that goes. Can you see that? Here we go. So I just plugged it, and it's already running. And I think it's on listening mode. So one of the things that you can do on here is this will listen to sound and work appropriately based on the sound around you, so it can react to music and things like that you might be listening to. So that gives you an idea of how bright it is with all the lights that I have here, right? I have a light overhead, I have 2 lights in front of me, the lights that point to the back, and I mean it's really bright. I like it. Let's see if I can, how far I can pull this. So okay, so let me put it here. Let me try. The controller here is Okay, so here's solid. So this isn't working to my voice anymore. And so each button press changes color. So you have green, or yeah, like lime green, green, blue. This kind of looks almost white, yellow, or like a warm white, and this is red. So this is yellow. When I press the other button, this is the reactive to sound option. Oh, and then it changes. Oh, and if you press it more, it changes depending. Oh, look at that. So I'm pressing the different modes, and then, I don't know, palpitations. Then this is by voice, as you can see. It goes up or down, depending on how loud I'm speaking. And then this looks like a current. It's kind of cool. Oh, it actually works with my voice too, see? So it slows down when I'm not speaking, but when I'm speaking, it goes faster depending on how fast I'm speaking. And then the same thing here. Pretty cool. Let me turn off the lights and see how this looks with the lights off. So you can see I have it going. It's kind of annoying, so I'm gonna actually change. There, so the pattern. What color should we do? Let's do this one. So do you see me there? It's been 1,000 years. Anyway, so here I have the strip. This is what it looks like in a completely dark room, except for my friend's head over there. And of course, you can control it with the Govee app. And something that's really cool about the Govee app is that it shows you exactly how to install it when you need to install it. Shows you exactly what patterns you can do. So if you want to do a pattern, there is a video for that pattern on what it looks like to give you an idea of what that pattern will look like once you set it up. And I thought that was really cool. And then if you want to install it, you click on where it says start installing. And this, as you can see now, has turned white and red. See that? Red, red, white, red, and it's sectioned. And the reason why it's sectioned like this is because depending on the pattern that you want to do, this is going to tell you where to put your mounting clips. And so when you have on the red portions, that's where your mounting clip goes. So you will put a mounting clip here, mounting clip here. On the long sections, so as you can see here that we can bend it to show, where is it? So on the section, see how it's red here, but here, this red here is shorter than the red here. The reason is because the longer reds take 2 clips versus the shorter red takes 1 clip. And so that is why it's sectioned. So you see you will have here clips closer together. So I think that is really, really cool. I'm going to use this light to illuminate my face so you can kind of see me. For example, it will also tell you how many clips it will require for the installation. So this specific one, the rainbow design, requires 13 clips. Then if we want to do, this looks like a taco. Yeah, looks like a taco or a sandwich. Yeah, so it says you need to wait you don't need to wait until Tuesday to enjoy a taco. Haha, how clever are we? And so you click start installing, and technically this is going to change the pattern. See? So already changed. The moment I press start installing, it changes the pattern. And then you click next, and it's going to walk you through the process of doing different designs. Of course, if you want to do your own design, you can choose how to do it. But I thought that was really, really cool. Oh, and they also have diagrams. So if you don't want shapes and you just want like a diagram, here's a diagram around the door. It says take the neon strip light and install it as shown in the image below. And this goes over the door, as you can see. If you don't want to follow the specific shapes that is showing you to make. So I thought that was really cool. The light has a software update right now. So we're going to do a software update on the light right now. Now, while we're waiting for the software update, I want you to see, I'm going to put it close to the camera. I want you to see that the cool thing is also is you don't really see the LEDs inside depending on the angle, when you look at it, like if you look at it from the side like this, you can kind of see where the LEDs are. But for the most part, you can't. It just looks like a strip, a neon strip. This is already connected to my Echo smart speaker. So I don't have to worry about having to redo that because it's already being added, so I can control it with my Echo. But let's look at lights here. So let's change lights. So as you can see here, we have what is called forest. Just to give you an idea of the things you can do with the app, we have rustling leaves is what this is called. And I'm gonna put it around my neck here. Probably easier for you to see it. Okay, so this is called rustling leaves. Let's try meteor. So we have meteor, universe.
This is the universe.
Let's try different colors. Okay, so here with colors, you can do it in gradients. So I can choose the sections that are going to change color. So I'm going to have a gradient. So I'm going to do this gradient in red. So see, now you have, this is red, and then this is a little bit orangey, and then goes into the yellow. And the way it's choosing is because I'm choosing what sections are going to change. So let me do this one, and this other part I'm going to make green. So now it goes green farther, see? So I have green and yellow. So if I want to remove some sections, we're going to do blue. So now we have blue that goes into green, that goes into yellow. So I'm going, in order to leave it the color I want that it is right now, you gotta uncheck the stuff on the app. And so now we have these sections, and this section I'm gonna make purple. So we have blue, green, and then you see there, it goes purple, and then it goes yellow. And so that is happening because I am controlling it on the app and deciding and choosing which parts are going to change colors in the app. So if I check everything, it's going to say like that. Now, if I want to do everything one color, all you have to do is check everything and then press on the color that you want, and the whole thing is one color. And this is 100% brightness right now. And so now we go to the color wheel, and let's pick this color. Okay, let's go here. Look, we have orange, pink or fuchsia, purple. Yeah, this is the app. As you can see here, has a lot of usefulness in it. And next, I'm going to turn the lights back on and get back to normal. Pow! Now we have light. Okay, so let's talk about some things. Heat. This does get warm. I mean, I've had it on the whole time that you've been watching this video. I don't know about how long it's been now, probably like 10, 15 minutes. And it does get a little warm to the touch. When I had it around my neck, I could feel the heat on my neck, on the bottom part of this. Of course, this isn't going to be on your skin, but keep that in mind depending on where you're going to put it. This will get warm. It doesn't get hot enough to burn, but it does get warm, unlike a regular LED strip. So that's one thing. So this has a lot of things that I really, really like that I personally didn't even know it had. So it's a good surprise. And so that's what the Govee light, the Govee LED Neon Rope does. And if you want to know how flexible it is, I can do this. And then if I wanted to do it like this, I could do it like this. And so like I have a little shape there that I just created for you, I think. So, I'm not an artist, but that's so it's flexible. It's flexible. You can do whatever you want. You want to put it, you want to tape it to your clothing, do like a Tron kind of situation. You can do that. The sky is the limit, as they say, when it comes to your imagination. So that is this minute or more review. I don't know why I named it that. I thought it sounded clever, but what's done is done, and I'm just going to stick with it because that's the type of person that I am. What do you think about this LED rope light, neon rope light? What do you think about this type of LED lights versus regular LED strips? Let me know in the comment section. If you have any other questions about this or any other things, let me know in the comment section as well. That is it for me. Go ahead and subscribe, give us a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Go ahead and hit that bell so you can be alerted every time we have new videos. Oh, and I'm going to have links for all this stuff in that description section. Thank you very much for watching.